Alright, so I'm just gonna get this out of the way before the video starts. Please go ahead and smash that like button for me, and then also subscribe if you guys aren't subscribed. The first part of this video is gonna be the whole Richie Lee live cop thing. I did end up purchasing a handful of stuff, and then also the last part is gonna be a nice little unboxing. I did unbox this hat, so if you guys are interested in this brand, go ahead and stick to the end and figure out where I got it, I guess. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and yo, what's good everybody on YouTube? Thank you guys for tuning in back for another video on this channel. And I'm not gonna lie, right now it's hard for me to film this video because I haven't had my coffee or some breakfast. But it is 8:58 a.m. and I'm filming a live cop for the Richie Lee supply. Or sorry, that's bflakessupply, for the Richie Lee collection drop. He's dropping a couple of cargos, a couple of t-shirts. We're gonna go ahead and try and record what I can get. Usually I do have my girlfriend helping me out with these drops, but I figured she wanted to sleep in. She's super tired, so I appreciate her for all the breakfast and stuff that she's been making me the last couple of days. But yeah, don't worry about that. But yeah, usually we have this thing going on where she orders stuff, I order stuff, and then we go ahead and put it up on bflakessupply for you guys. But today it's young solo dolo, and we're gonna go ahead and try and cop some stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and go on the Richie's site right now. Honestly, I know there's bots running on this site, so certain things like the cargos are gonna sell out really fast. Usually what I do, I go for the main item, which is like the cargo, and then I'll go back and order the t-shirts. That's my little trick, because I know the t-shirts won't sell out as quick. Some people might not want to pay shipping twice, but genuinely, if you do want that item, I would suggest going cargos first, check out, and then go back for the t-shirts, because if you go cargos, t-shirts, and try to add multiple, you're taking an L. I'm not gonna lie, I already know you're taking an L. So we're just gonna keep refreshing here. 8:59 a.m. Hopefully we can get through on some stuff. As you guys can see, everything is sold out right here, as far as the cargos and everything go. So, or even t-shirts, everything. Shout out to Richie, man. He's doing numbers, he's dropping some big stuff, and surprisingly all this stuff can be a money maker. Like, it does resell. I've never had an issue with trying to get rid of anything Richie Lee. It does take a while on some items, but sorry, I got a burp. But Richie Lee stuff does sell. Alright, so it's 9 a.m. Ooh, alright, refresh. I didn't clear my cookies on this laptop, so it's like, I'm gonna be slow. Fuck, man. Refresh. Dude, I'm nervous. I should probably be more prepared on this, like, live drop stuff. Come on, bro. Hello? Dude, it's 9 a.m. Am I tripping? So maybe bots are getting through. Let me try my phone. Is the drop at 9 a.m. or 10 a.m.? I heard 9 a.m. Okay, let's go. Alright. Desert Clay, Olive. I'm gonna go for this pair right here just to see if it does resell. Add to cart. Check out on that. Check out. Don't worry about shipping. Oh, here. I'm in line, bro. That's crazy. There's a line. There's never a line for Richie Lee's drops. Oh shoot, I'm nervous. Alright, so there's a line, check out on here. There might be always a line, I'm not too sure. You guys have to do Apple Pay. That's the quickest way. Literally, you just do this whole processing thing, and it's actually being mad slow. That's insane. Alright, we're gonna go ahead. Dude, that's crazy. Alright, I'm tripping out right now, because I'm not getting the items I wanted. Dude, I've never had this issue on this site. Usually the Apple Pay like drops quick. All right, let's do mobile. Extra large, add to cart. And all right, so we're gonna do that. While that's loading up, extra large, add to cart. And buy with Apple Pay. Sorry, I had to do a mobile one. I'm not too sure if you guys can see it, but your boy's low-key like struggling right now, man. This is not good. I swear I already put... Aw, man. This is not good at all. Checkout was unavailable. This is the worst, the craziest Richie Lee drop. Yo, this is insane, man. I've never... Look, I'm even having issue. Wow. Whoa, dude. This is crazy. Alright, so let's see if I can get some t-shirts at least. Alright, so just took an L on the black cargos. The cargos sold out quick, but I didn't I should have screen recorded my phone. I ended up purchasing, dude, this is crazy. Alright, so I ended up purchasing 2 t-shirts. I probably should have bought let me see if I can get through on a short sleeve. I don't know if I want a short sleeve, because this is a nice t-shirt. Actually, seeing this t-shirt, I might have to buy it. I didn't check the measurements. Chest. Yeah, honestly, man, I hate how I have to do this, but I might just go ahead and buy this tee. Dude, I'm screen recording right now. Dude, this is crazy, honestly. Alright, let's see. I don't want to spend this much money, but I'm literally just, at this point, I'm kind of doing it for the content. I'm not gonna lie. It kind of sucks. This is, okay, alright. I'm done. I'm done purchasing shit. Alright, so I spent 100. I like to do my math on how much I spend because I don't want to go too ham. Alright, 146. Alright, so sheesh. Alright, so I don't even know how to explain it. Alright, so as you guys can see, that whole drop was just a mess. I've never done a live cop like this, so hopefully y'all enjoyed the clips. I feel like it may have messed me up as far as everything goes, but honestly, I'm very surprised with how quick those cargos sold out. If you guys saw, my screen was like lagging. I went to a wait in line screen, and there was probably a whole bunch of bots that beat me, I'm not gonna lie. But I was able to get through with the Desert Clay pair with a bot. Unfortunately, I don't want to lie to you guys. I do use a bot for a couple of items on this web store. Particularly, I've used them for the shorts and the Richie Lee hats and the this pair of cargos. So I did use a bot on this one item just because I want those personally. But the rest of the items, I bought 3 t-shirts on my own. I bought 2 long sleeves and a short sleeve t-shirt. Hopefully they fit me this time as far as how I would like them to. I'll be putting up screenshots right here, but I don't even know if I want to like put out there that I use a bot for this, because I feel like it's not embarrassing. I feel like anybody who has the opportunity to use a bot would use one. If you guys want any information as far as the bot goes, it's from the Locust and Wild Honey Facebook group. It's someone that has helped out tremendously, has helped out a ton of people, and pretty much all you do is like, I don't know, pretty much all you do is just DM him when he posts the post, and then you go ahead, Venmo him $20. So literally I paid $100 for those cargos because I have to Venmo him $20 after the win. There's no risk to it, so I don't know if anyone is interested in that. I know a lot of you guys probably want to take dubs on the web store, but literally, so all you do is fill out the form, tell him what size you want, what color you want, and then if you win, you give him $20. I was a little sketched out as far as him running off with like my information and stuff, but I've used him the last 3 Richie Lee drops and he's helped out a ton. And the reason why I go to this guy is because I really want to make videos around this, and I feel like it does help me out as far as content goes. So I'm super hyped I was able to get away with at least one pair of the cards. Yo, what's good everybody? So I figured why not go ahead and end this video off with a nice little unboxing. I have a nice bag here from Emmanuel. I'm gonna slow down on the Emmanuel pickups, no longer shopping on there, but I did pick up some shorts for the web store. So if you guys are interested in anything that will be in this bag, I'll go ahead and throw it up on the web store. And then also I have a nice hat unboxing from Pirate. This is my first time ordering from them, so I figured why not give them a shot. The brand name is Pirate. I like their little tape they have here going on. But yeah, so why not hop into the Eric Emmanuel stuff first. So if you guys didn't know, Eric Emmanuel's done dropping the basic shorts or any type of shorts because of the season, because it's fall winter time now. So I figured, why is he still dropping shorts? But this was from the last drop. He said that he wasn't going to be dropping anything else from here on out as far as this stuff goes, so I'm not too sure. Did I just repeat myself? Is that what you looked over? Oh, okay, sorry, my girlfriend looked over and she wanted to see the shorts. They're actually really nice. I wish I could afford to keep these. I might end up keeping the gray ones. I might end up keeping the gray ones over this pair. But I did like this one because it has the whole Raider Vegas vibe, I guess you can say. So if anyone is interested in this black pair of Eric Emmanuel shorts with the nice silver EE on there, go ahead and check out bflakessupply.com. I don't know what I'm trying to say right now. But yeah, check out the web store on those pieces. Why not go ahead and hop into this unboxing? I'm super excited to see how this brand's quality of hats. I'm not the king of hats, but it seems like a lot of people do follow me because of the whole KTH trend. But before we start off this unboxing, I wanted to give a big shout out to the homie Nate. He actually put me on to this brand, and I actually did end up purchasing something from them. So Nate, if you're watching this, I know you have this hat as well. Hopefully we don't wear it on the same day, but I'm sure we will. Yeah, so here it is, Pirate. I think that's their whole brand name. Let me double check it. Yeah, it's just Pirate. It's just Pirate worldwide. I paid 50 bucks for this piece, and it does come with a nice Kobe sticker. So shout out to them for this. I actually really like this a lot. And here is the hat. I kind of am a little scared, but yeah. So this is actually kind of I don't. Feel how flimsy it is. So the reason why I bought this hat was because I wear this hat a lot, and I like it a lot actually, because I actually have 4 photos on Instagram in this cap right here. But the only complaint I have about it is the green bottom. Nothing's wrong with that. I just feel like it does throw me off a little bit. And as you guys can see with this one from Pirate, it does have a black bottom, and I'm already digging it way more than I am with this one. So if I do end up selling this one, this will be available on bflakessupply.com, and it's super clean, no stains or anything. I have worn it a handful of times, but I do take care of my things. So we'll go ahead and see if I do want to end up selling this. I do like this hat a lot. I wear this one the most, like I said, but this one right here, honestly, I feel like this is my new daily cap. I just like how it looks, and for it being 50 bucks, no resale or anything, it is pretty nice. So shout out to Pirate and what they're doing. I also really like this sticker right here, so this is gonna go on my laptop. I already have a D'Angelo Russell sticker on there, but all thoughts on this hat, I do like it a lot. It does fit my head very, very nicely. So if there's any Laker fans really wanting to get onto this brand, it's called Pirate, like I said. Maybe I'll link them down below in the description box. But I do like this hat a lot. It does fit me very, very well. So once again, shout out to the homie Nate for putting me onto this brand. But yeah, so that wraps it up for today's video. Nothing much really going on. I really hope you enjoyed the whole live cop thing with the Richie Lee drop. Like I said, it is crazy when it comes to copying stuff from Richie Lee. But one thing I did notice is that it's kind of like Eric Emmanuel. The mobile, like being on your phone checking out, was a lot easier than on my laptop. I'm not too sure if you guys really recognized that earlier, because my laptop was just glitching out, and then I got through on 2 t-shirts with my phone. So shout out to everybody who's supporting the videos, I guess you can say. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter. Everything you need will be linked down below in the description box. Go ahead and check out bFlake Supply, which is my personal web store. I appreciate all the support, you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Y'all have a good one. Peace. Alright, so let me know what you guys think about my hat. If you guys have, I really like how this hoodie looks in videos, so I'm thinking that it looks good in person. If anyone is gonna ask me where I got my hoodie, my girlfriend thrifted it for me. She always finds some good stuff, and we got this in California. It's just a random, like, in Bakersfield. It's just a random like washed hoodie. It looks really good. So yeah, that's where I got my hoodie. Shout out to Pirate. If you guys do check them out, let me know. I actually really like this hat a lot, the more that I'm looking at it in the viewfinder. But if you guys are sticking to the end of the video, go ahead and comment the snake emoji, just so I know you guys stuck to the end, watched the whole way through. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Go ahead and subscribe if you guys aren't subscribed, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Stay safe, stay clean, stay quarantined. Peace.